What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a sliding patio door lock when you can see it's nice and loose and it doesn't even latch. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. So we've got a sliding patio door lock here that's obviously seen better days. It's nice and loose, and even if we bring both doors together and try and latch it, it's simply not working. So we've got a couple issues here. We're going to start off on our loose door handle here first. Now this one here is a commercial style door. It's not something that I usually work on. However, the concept should hopefully be pretty much the same. We don't have a handle on the outside, but what we're going to do is remove this top and bottom screw, and that should give us access to the actual screws inside, which will hopefully hold this all together. So we'll remove this little cover plate here. So now that the cover's off, we've got direct access to our screws here. That should secure this onto the actual door frame itself. So we'll just simply tighten these ones here up. Try and get it as square as possible. You don't want to tighten it on an angle. So we'll start off with this one right here. We don't want to over tighten it as well. All right, so that's now nice and simple. We've got this one here nice and tight. We'll take our cover once again, and we'll slide this one here back over the top, open it up, and put our screws back in. Now these ones here, you have to be a little bit careful. Try doing them by hand if you can initially, or even with a screwdriver, to make sure that you don't cross thread these, because if you do ruin this screw, you're going to be in a bit of trouble. Once you're happy with that, tighten it all back up. Alright, so now we've got this one here now nice and tight. We'll close the door once again, bring both doors together because this is two sliding doors here. So if we slide them both together, it should technically lock, but as you guys can see there, it's not locking. And there's one more adjustment here that we can do. If we have a look at our latch or our catch right here, we'll have a look from this side here. You can see on the inside that we've got our little catch right there, and our latch needs to actually hook onto the top of this one here. But what we have is an adjustment screw. So we've got a screw right here. If we tighten this one here to the right, that'll allow this one here to go in further, and if we retract it back to the left, you can see it's adjustable there. So we're going to pull this one here until it's nice and flush with our locking mechanism or our catch right here. We'll try the door once again, see if that's enough. If not, we'll adjust it just a little bit more. Once again, bring both doors. So we do need just a little bit more there. Once again, bring the doors together, and there we have it. That's how we adjust it. So that's a nice simple way of adjusting a patio door lock. They're all pretty much going to be roughly about the same. Once again, this one here is a commercial door, so it's not something I usually work on. However, the concept is the same across the board. So hopefully this video is going to help you out. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.